Hello everyone. Myself is Vamshi. I'm from BVRIT College CSC department, and I'm going to give a brief information regarding the working of threads in Java. So threads are lightweight units of execution within a Java program. They allow for concurrent and parallel processing, enabling more efficient utilization of system resources and improved application responsiveness. So So these are the three major parts of threads and the life cycle of threads in Java. So new a thread is created and not yet started execution. And runnable means the thread is ready for execution, but is waiting for the command for the CPU for execution. Running the thread is running, which means the thread is actively running in the CPU. And thread creation. So there are three major parts in creation of threads. That is extending thread class, implementing runnable interface, and thread pools. Extending thread class, create a class that extends the thread class and overrides the run method. Implementing runnable interface, where we will create a class that will implement the runnable interface and pass it on to the thread constructor. And thread pools, use a thread pool. We will use a thread pool to manage and reuse a fixed number of threads, improving the efficiency of the system. And thread synchronization. So there are synchronization methods, synchronized blocks, and locks and monitors. Synchronized methods ensure that the thread is safe access to shared resources by making methods as synchronized. And synchronized blocks wrap critical sections of code in synchronized blocks to control them. And locks and monitors. Uh, the use of lock and monitor classes for more advanced synchronization mechanism. Thread priorities. So priority levels. Thread can be assigned from priority 1 to the priority 10 based on the influence scheduling. That is the priority that we are providing them. And importance, thread priority, the importance of thread priority is that thread priorities can be used to ensure that critical tasks are executed in a timely manner. That is, we have to execute one task in one time and another task in another. And a caution, relying too heavily on priorities can lead to starvation of unfair scheduling. So use with care. Thread interruption, initiate. Threads can be interrupted using the interrupt method. Check threads should be periodically checked their interrupted status using interrupted method. And handle uh, thread should handle interruption by performing cleanup and exciting uh, gracefully. So three methods of thread communication. Wait puts the thread in waiting state until notified from the CPU. Notify will wake up the thread and will be ready for the execution. Notify all will wakes up all the waiting threads and makes them ready for execution priority wise. So, in the end of the program, we have learned about avoiding deadlocks, carefully manage and access to shade, uh, prevent deadlocks, uh, minimize shade state, reduce the amount of shade data between threads to minimize, handle exceptions, synchronization issues, properly handle exceptions in thread to prevent them from terminating, monitoring performance, uh, use profiling tools to identify and resolve performance bottlenecks in multi-threaded applications. Thank you.